Hi guys, it's Zwax with
Big D.
Ziggy to
This chicks.
first episode of SkyBlock. So our first episode just got deleted. I don't know why. It just did. I can't do nothing about it. So I decided to not delete my island, because I already spent some money, in-game money, to buy some stuff. So yeah, so I decided to just say that and move on. So in first episode, I fenced the emergency food. I made the crafting table, I chopped some wood, I made a cactus farm, and I make a cobblestone generator and a sugarcane farm. So it's useful. I don't know why, but it's useful. So in this episode we're gonna do some farming. Here we go, and then this. So we do this, and we do this and this. So we can expand a little more our island. So I'll expand it here. Come on. So what do you think, Ziggy, about SkyBlock?
Yeah, it's pretty fun.
Okay. So yeah, we are playing on Simonecraft, and it's pretty cool. I think. It's pretty cool. I know that. And what should we do next? Yeah.
I think I really don't know.
Should I put this armor on?
No, if you
yeah.
die.
Put this island up. Like that, and
make a house now. Will be pretty useful.
Man. And I'm gonna just a little bit on the island. And so this is our first video. And oh shit. Yes. So I saved. Yeah, this is our first series and all that. Something.
Go to the options. Go to the options.
Oh yeah, you can. Okay.
Go to the options.
Yeah.
Go now. Go to skin video settings.
Yeah.
And now do is that go down. Where is it?
Oh, it's good. So this is and yeah, I'm gonna just a little bit expand our island so I can have more space, and soon I will make a house. See, so I'm gonna mine some cobblestone, and when I get some cobblestone, I'll be back.